Hey guys, in this video I talk about SurgeScript, a scripting language for games. You're gonna learn how to move a sprite and how to set the position of an object with the mouse. The idea is to make Surge chase after a battery that is controlled by the mouse. The purpose of this video is to show you a bit of logic in SurgeScript so you can use it in your own games. Let's begin. First, we create a new script in the scripts folder. Let's call the file application.ss. Then, we create an empty application object. Let me import the actor component and the mouse object as well. If we run the engine, we see an empty application. Now let's create an entity called battery. Remember that an entity is anything visible that is part of your level. We then create an actor with the collectible sprite, and in our main state, we position it. Next, I'll spawn the battery on the application. Let's test it. Okay, now you can see the battery. To make the battery follow the mouse, I'll set its X position to the X position of the mouse. Let's see. Alright, now I can move the battery. Next, we'll create SurgeChaser, an entity that chases the battery. I'll create an actor and set a variable called velocity to 70 pixels per second. In the main state, I'll set the initial position of the object. Then, I change the state to chase. In chase, I compare the position of the object to the position of the mouse. If it is less, then the battery is to the right. If it is more, the battery is to the left. If, however, the battery is within a margin, then we don't need to chase. To make Surge walk to the right, I set its horizontal flip flag to false and its animation to 1, the walking animation. Then I move it to the right by modifying its X position. In this expression, velocity is multiplied by time.delta so that the actor is moved at a constant rate, regardless of the frame rate. Now, to make Surge walk to the left, the code is similar. If Surge is close enough to the battery, its animation is set to 0, so that Surge stands still. Finally, let's spawn Surge in the application. Okay, it works. Yeah. Alright. In this video, you learned how to move a sprite and how to set the position of an object with the mouse. Did you get the logic? Leave a comment.